Question number 111. The reception team at Happy Tales Animal Hospital uses a Canvas app to manage client appointments. On the appointment form, a text field for alternate pet details must become visible only when a user selects others from the pet type drop-down list. What should you configure to implement this dynamic visibility? Option A, workflow. Option B, business process flow. Option C, business rule. The correct answer is option C, business rule. Question number 112. At Contoso Limited, you have one-to-many relationship from the parent account table to the child opportunity table. You need to ensure that when an account record is assigned to a new owner, all related opportunity records are automatically reassigned to that new owner. Which relationship behavior type should you configure? Option A, referential. Option B, parental. Option C, restrict. The correct answer is option B, parental. Question number 113. After deploying a new model-driven app for the sales team at Summit Enterprises, you find they are unable to access it. To grant the sales team visibility of the app, where must you configure its specific access permissions? Option A, Dynamics Administration Center. Option B, Manage Roles. Option C, Security Roles. The correct answer is option B, Manage Roles. Question number 114. The IT department at Innovate Manufacturing is formalizing its support procedures for the company's Power Platform environments. You are tasked with recommending the correct administrative role for several common tasks, ensuring the principle of least privilege is strictly followed. Match the required function to the administrative role with the minimum necessary permissions. On the left side, you have the roles. On the right side, you have the function, and you need to choose the correct role. The first function is create new users. The correct role is Office 365 Global Administrator. The second function is assign roles to users. The correct role is Dynamics 365 System Administrator. The third function is perform backups for an instance. The correct role is Dynamics 365 Service Administrator. Question number 115. As the Power Platform Administrator for the Client Success Team at Apex Innovations, you manage a model-driven app for tracking customer engagements. A team member, Elizabeth Rice, signs into the app using elizabeth.rice at apexinnovations.com. Following a name change to Elizabeth Mueller, you need to update her sign-in name while preserving her entire activity history in the app. Solution: change Elizabeth's username in her user record for the app. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 116. You are the administrator for Apex Innovation, where an employee named Elizabeth Rice uses a model-driven app for client management. After getting married, her legal name is now Elizabeth Mueller, and you must update her sign-in name from elizabeth.rice@apexinnovations.com without losing any of her historical data in the app. Solution: instruct the Microsoft 365 administrator to log in to the admin portal and modify the user's username. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Question number 117. As the Power Platform Administrator for AdventureWorks, you manage a model-driven app that the sales team uses to track client activities. A sales team member, Laura Norman, who signed in as laura.norman at adventure-works.com, recently changed her last name to Peterson. You must update her sign-in name to reflect the change while ensuring all her past activity and record ownership are preserved. Solution: delete the user account for Laura Norman in the Power Platform Admin Center and create a new one using the name Laura Peterson. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Question number 118. A business analyst at Contoso Inc., who already has the necessary permissions to access data in the company's Dataverse database, now needs to build a Canvas app that uses this data. To enable these tasks while adhering to the principle of least privilege, which out-of-the-box security role should you assign? Option A, Environment Admin. Option B, System Customizer. Option C, Common Data Service User. Option D, Environment Maker. The correct answer is option D, Environment Maker. Question number 119. At Velocity Warehousing, the inventory team uses model-driven apps on shared, always-on devices in the main depot. The security incident occurred when a user left their session active, allowing an unauthorized person to access the app and upload several restricted files. You are tasked with implementing security measures to prevent this from happening again. What should you do? The first question is: prevent unauthorized access to devices. The correct answer is: set an inactivity limit in the user's group policy. The second question is prevent users from uploading a specific type of file. The correct answer is enter the restricted file types in the Power Platform Admin Center. Question number 120. The business development team at Summit Solutions requires a more initiative way to manage their sales pipeline and the company's model-driven app. You have been asked to configure the app to meet your specific needs without writing any code. Which solution should you implement for each requirement? The first question is drag and drop opportunities to change the stage. The correct answer is add a Kanban control. The second question is show each salesperson their opportunities in calendar and Kanban view. The correct answer is add both controls to the My Opportunities view. The third question is show each salesperson the number of open opportunities by stage in a standard view. The correct answer is use the chart pane on the view.